I made it. I'm so proud of myself. Go.
Lake was fun. On the way back down from greatness.
Down, but you should have recorded on there.
I already did.
Oh, you did? You're not with me.
No, no. Unfortunately.
You know good, Alyssa?
Oh, shit. You going down, buddy? Go ahead. Yeah, yep.
Careful, Waylon. I don't like you guys going between these rocks like this. Okay? Stop.
I'm blame him. You want to wait for them to go down first?
Yeah, yep. You guys do your thing. Go ahead.
Here we go. Hold on.
Daddy, Dada, get me.
Stay right there on that. Come on, let's go. All right, we're good.
Cool, cool.
Yes, you go.
Thank you.
Are they twins?
They are.
They are. Nice. Fraternal or identical?
They're fraternal.
Fraternal? Okay.
Yeah.
Twins is a blessing.
Yes, it is. We were very happy, actually. I had 2 girls, so 2 boys was perfect.
Nice.
There you go.
So you have 2 and 2.
Yeah, my daughters are up here already. I didn't want to take these guys up, but they were pushing me.
It's worth it though. There's a lot of kids up here right now.
And it's like the water's so fine. It's kind of cold, but not too cold, so you can just like swim in it.
Oh, nice. I don't know if we're swimming, but I'll
Rosetta, yeah. Bye boys,
bring
have
swim
fun.
trunks.
Have fun.
We'll swim in the river when we get back.
There you go. You guys be safe.
Thank you.
You guys have a
too,
good
as
one.
well.
No, you
UFC 319. Here I come. Huh? Nunez? Did she just shut up, Amanda Nunez at
all the way up
at
here.
Yellowstone?
I guess.
Talk about a celebrity crush, huh? Amanda Nunez, huh?
Actually, scream for help. Look! Woo! He's recording us.
Ay,
Rosa, say hi
Rosita.
to Beto. They're taking pictures.
She's trying not to die.
Hey, this shit is. I need you to go down first so you can catch me.
Okay, I'll go.
Let me see. Hold this.
Oh yeah,
I don't want
that's
to.
where you lifted us up, no?
Oh yeah, that's right. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, that's slippery.
It's steep. Why don't we go down a little bit more down that way, babe?
Isn't there another way?
Yeah.
Let's try.
See?
Look for another round. Look for these around for you.
Should look steep.
Hey, don't do it if you can't do it.
Oh no, we can. It's nomás te agarras lado de lado con un pie, un pie, un pie, un pie.
Tú sabes los pinches zapatos tan resbalosos que tienes. Because you got some long ass legs. We don't got the legs like you.
That's messed up.
No, so good.
Hey, you guys see how I'm coming down?
Yeah.
Yes.
Set it down there like this.
Like slowly.
The same way that I'm doing.
I'm gonna have to put my pants on because my shit's sliced.
Dame la camisa.
Damn. That's right, bro.
Good for you, Buster.
You was all the way up there, huh?
Yeah, I was
You
going
train?
That's right.
No,
No?
I grew up in Berkeley and there's a park called Indian Rock.
Oh, nice.
He's like, I'm used to it.
You're a pro.
It's literally a park just for rock climbing.
Oh, nice.
Hey, be careful.
Well, I'm so proud of you to do that. Slide.
You're gonna sit down the other way. Yeah. You're gonna look for this.
You got this, Rosa?
I got you. I got you.
went on everywhere.
It's because he has experience.
I'm just saying, like, he knows how to grab onto the rocks.
fuck,
right?
I'm
scared as fuck now.
Woo! We're almost there. Okay, ready? Let's go, girl.
Just sit on your bottom though, and then slide from your waist down.
Have yourself.
Your
Erica, you want to go first before me?
Your waist needs to turn this way.
Relax.
There you go.
Before you go, you're gonna have a rock right here.
You want me to go? Yeah, want me to go? Look how I'm going. Look how I'm stepping. Right here.
Hold on to it. I gotta make sure all these things.
Oh, we're not niggas. Okay. I'm gonna slide.
Give him the GoPro first, girl.
No.
Let me see. Let me do it too. Hold this. down and squeeze your legs together. Yeah, exactly. Watch your foot.
I know what I'm doing.
Oh, perdón.
Just got your... It's sliding.
Got it?
Yeah.
Your shirt.
Thank you. Thank you, Rosa. Was it worth it coming up here?
Either way, you're looking for a rock.
I'm still gonna
Got
try.
another one. There you go.
Woo!
Let's go.
No, there's no donde pisar.
That way, over there.
Aquí no hay donde pisar.
Be careful.
Extra careful.
Yeah, hold on to the rock.
Y yo me quedé jodido con la cama.
You need me to hold it?
No, you're good. I was just like, oh, shit, we're gonna have it.
I got pocket.
Nah, but I want you to scratch it with the rocks.
Oh, true. I mean, they're on the side.
Exactly. This is fucking crazy. Still going.
Fanny pack. She can put it in there.
I got it. It's all good. Don't worry about nothing.
I don't think I'm gonna fit through this one. Don't jump, man. Don't have to jump. I help her. Just a little leap. We're going to the floor already.
Yeah. That's how you do it right here, Rosa. Look.
Well, I was trying to get
Contra.
Ya tus pantalones se resbalan bien machín. If I would have worn the blue ones from yesterday, it would have been better to have a better grip. And then Dulce's shoes do not got any motherfucking grip.
Por eso están 20.
So that's why I'm sliding everywhere.
It was just for the look.
I wonder if mine would have been like that too.
Relax. Relax. Slow your roll, Rosa. I don't need no broken ankles right now.
No, I'm fine. Is it comfortable? Yeah.
They're helping out her ankle just fine right now. She could have busted her ass like twice already. I don't know how them ankles would have been. Keep your legs straight when you hit the water.
Keep your legs straight.
Babe, you know earlier I think me and Rosa interrupted somebody.
What?
What?
How Rosa, we interrupted somebody earlier?
She killed this white man's fire.
Oh, what happened? Erica, you got me?
She said.
Looked at me and went, later.
Unless you want help. Yeah, but you're still young. Wait until you get to marry. We'll be talking. There you go. I'm gonna be like, Mom, my knees hurt. I'll be like, yeah, guess who was climbing those rocks? I don't want to hear it. Let's go.
Hey, relax. Careful. You're so mad. there restrooms around here or what? Is there restrooms?
The restrooms are all the way down. All the way to the beginning.
Fuck. Careful. Alright. Damn, I want to pee right here. But look, everybody can see me right there. I was gonna put a little blur on it.
Se lastimó la mano.
Y'all, be careful right there.
Yeah?
You gotta go, you gotta go.
You
I didn't mean to do that. I had to fuck up a national treasure, but I had to do it.
Well, watch out, cuz. Shit.
Yeah, sure. It's recording here.
Oh. It's hot now. I think it is still recording.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's recording.
Oh.
I'm just letting you know it's recording.
Oh. Yes, we did it. Thank God.
So I'm back. Made it. Oh shit. I'm about to get fucked up at the end.
Oye, ¿dónde quedó mi white hat?
So my boy, take it easy, right?
You didn't bring no hat, did you?
Huh? It's right there.
No, you didn't.
Si no, ¿cómo me tapa el pinche sol?
¿No te lo dejaste ya? ¿Los estabas lado tú? Una celuta. Where are they? Oh.
There's bananas on the side, Erica.
The bag?
That's what the bag is for. I'll give you guys the bag.
Beto,
The bag with water.
This is yours?
You guys have the bag with water.
Sí.
You guys have the backpack with water.
It's not that much in it.
Oh.
We have ours too. I want to. What is it?